In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add PST file in Outlook vertical bar, how to remove PST file in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring an existing Outlook data file into your mailbox and how to neatly remove it from view without deleting anything from your computer. I'll cover both classic Outlook and the new Outlook experience so you can follow along with the version you are using. Let's start with classic Outlook. If you are adding a PST file, open Outlook and click the File tab. Choose Account Settings, then click Account Settings again to open the Settings window. Switch to the Data Files tab. This is where Outlook lists all the data files it's currently using. Click Add. A file browser will open. Navigate to the folder where your .pst file is stored. Select it and click OK. Outlook will attach that file and you'll see its folders appear in the left pane. If you are restoring an old archive or moving data from another computer, this is a quick way to bring those emails, contacts, and calendar items back into view. To remove a PST file in Classic Outlook, go back to File, choose Account Settings. Then Account Settings again. On the Data Files tab, select the PST you want to remove and click Remove. Confirm by clicking Yes. This detaches the file from Outlook's view but does not delete the actual PST file from your computer, so your data remains intact on disk. If Outlook indicates a file is set as default, you may see restrictions on removing it. That's normal behavior to protect your primary mailbox. Now, for those using the new Outlook, the flow is a bit different. Click the Settings gear icon in the top right. In the menu, go to Files, then Outlook Data Files. To add a PST, choose Add File and pick the .pst you want to attach. Outlook will connect it and display the folders alongside your other mailboxes. When you are ready to remove it, return to the same Outlook Data Files area, select Manage for that file, and choose Close File. That removes it from Outlook's sidebar while keeping the PST safely stored wherever you saved it. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.